Welcome to week 13. This week we'll have our third exam, so it's going to look, feel exactly like the first two. We'll be in room 230 again. We'll start upstairs. We're only going to be upstairs. We'll just have the exam. There's no Tuesday participation, no midweek homework, no lab this week. Don't need to worry about any of that. We will have a second set of videos. We'll start chapter 21 this week. We'll do the first part of it and we'll finish it next week. So there's a participation due Friday, 11/21, but wouldn't worry about that until after the test. Chapter 21 is not on the test. It will be on final, but not on this test. A couple other things this week. We're going to evaluate your third lab group that's due this weekend by Sunday. Just like you did before, we will not have there's no more labs. So there's no more lab activities. We'll do the lab practical after Thanksgiving, but there's no more lab groups. So this is your final lab group. You were in your final lab group. There won't be any rotation or anything like that. So fill out the evaluation, how y'all worked, what you think of your group, all that kind of stuff. The other big thing is the lab technique presentation questionnaire. You want to make sure that's due by Friday, the 21st. So it's back on the main page of Blackboard. And if it's in the lab technique presentation folder, just what topic you're going to present about and what format. If you have any questions about it, let me know. We can certainly talk on campus on Wednesday. But otherwise, yeah, and if you want to meet before the test, also, if you want to meet to talk about material, chapter 15, 16, 17 for the test. But otherwise, week 13. Next week, we will only have because it's Thanksgiving, we only have a first set of videos, and there's nothing on Wednesday. We're not meeting next Wednesday. So it gets a little scattered, or a little kind of fragmented, I guess, at the end of the semester here with Thanksgiving and the test. Nothing's all lined up. But yeah, test is on Wednesday, 11 a.m. See you in room 230. If you want to meet, if you have any questions about the review or anything like that, don't hesitate to reach. There is another review. Get 3 points on your test grade. Otherwise, I'm going to stop rambling. Enjoy week 13. Bye-bye.